Hello everyone, my name is Dipinder Acharya. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you on mango based mocktail, mango royal. How to make that mocktail? First of all, take a tall glass and you have to add some ice cube into the tall glass. Okay, just add some ice cube. Then you have to pour 10 ml of lemon juice, and then you have to pour 10 ml of ginger and lime cordial, and you have to pour 30 ml of mango crush. Very fancy mocktail you can try. Okay, after adding the crush, then you have to pour some pineapple juice. It's mango royale mocktail. After that, you have to simply fill the glass with limca. Okay, after that, you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Okay, and you have to pour some more pineapple juice. Okay, after that, you have to just add some mint leaf, lemon wedges, and all the ingredients you have to mix. Then simply add some more pineapple juice. Then you have to pour ingredient syrup. See how the fancy color came. Then you can garnish the mocktail with mango juice. I'm garnishing with some lemon and mint leaf. See, your mango royal mocktail is ready. Very fancy mocktail you can try with the combination of pineapple juice, mango crush, lime, ginger lime cordial, ingredient syrup, limca, and lime juice. This is very fancy mocktail you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Please try this mocktail. You can see the color with the 2 and 3 layers. Very fancy mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you. Bye.